Hello everyone, this is Siddiqur Rahman and welcome to the third lecture of the second week. So let's begin. By the end of this lecture, you guys will be able to know about the octal number system. So let's move into the next slide. This lecture or this slide represents the overall outline of this lecture. From this lecture, you may learn the overview of octal number system, then octal, then example of octal number, application of octal number system, characteristics of octal number system, advantages of octal number system, and so many things. So let's move into the next slide. First, we need to know the overall scenario of octal number system. So let's begin. Octal number system is the type of number representation techniques in which their value of base is 8. That means there are only 8 symbols or possible 8-digit values. There are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It requires only 3 bits to represent value of any digit. Octal numbers are indicated by the addition of either an 0 prefix or an 8 suffix. Well, position of every digit has a weight, which is a power of 8. Each position in the octal system is 8 times more significant than the previous position. That means numeric value of an octal number is determined by multiplying each digit of the number by the value of the position in which the digit appears and then adding the products. So it is also a positional or weighted number system. So let's move into the next slide. Well, from this slide we came to know what is octal. So let's begin. Oct means 8. And this is a number system with a base or radix 8. Well, hence it is called so. It is also called base 8. The position of the digits in an octal number system is given as follows. And this figure represents the octal position values as power of 8. Well, so let's move into the next slide. From this slide, we may learn the example of octal number. So let's begin. An octal number uses only 8 digits. We already know this, such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can have a look at the following figure. So if you look at this figure, then you can notice that in this number, there are only 5 digits, such as 1, 2, 5, 7, 0, and in here the 8 represents the base of this number. Since this number represents the octal number, that's why we use here 8 as a base. So let's move into the next slide. From this slide we may learn the applications of octal numbers. So let's begin. The octal numbers are not so common as they used to be. However, octal is used when the number of bits in one word is a multiple of 3. It is also used as a shorthand for representing file permissions on Unix systems and representation of UTF-8 numbers, etc. So let's move into the next slide. Well, from this slide we may learn the characteristics of octal number system. So let's begin. There are several characteristics of octal number system, such as it uses 8 digits, such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next, it is also called base 8 number system. Next one, each position in an octal number represents a 0 power of the base, such as 8 to the power 0. Well, last one, last position in an octal number represents an x power of the base 8, such as 8 to the power x, where x represents the last position minus 1. So let's move into the next slide. Now we need to know the advantages of octal number system. So let's begin. There are several advantages of octal number system, such as size of the string in octal representation is small. Due to the small length of string, chances of errors in the result are less. The bits can be easily converted according to the need. So let's move into the next slide. From this slide, we may learn the disadvantages of octal number system. So let's begin. Every time an additional converting unit is required, as digital circuits operates on only binary values. Thus, data in the octal form, I repeat again, thus data in the octal form must be converted into binary format. So let's move into the next slide. Well, from this slide we came to know, or we may learn, the symbol of octal system. All the numbers in the octal system are represented using 8 characteristics from 0 to 7, including these two numbers. So figure 3 represents octal symbols on this slide. So let's move into the next slide. You guys will learn on the next lecture. I repeat again. You guys will learn in the next lecture hexadecimal number system. So let's move into the next slide. So thank you so much for your attention, and that's all for today. And stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.